Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today and we are going to about guys how can we change guys screen timeout in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to change guys your phone screen timeout, so how can you change? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we change guys phone screen timeout. Open your phone setting. Guys, click on display and brightness. Screen timeout guys, we will tap here. So when we will change into 15 second. And how to use guys screen timeout? Friends, we will wait for 15 seconds guys. We will not click anywhere in our screen. After 15 seconds guys, screen will off automatic. Wait and watch. Friends, you can see screen is going to off and off. So like that guys, we can off guys. We can change guys screen timeout. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.